Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have Mariana here with me today. Do you want maybe something for you to sit on so you can be up higher? I am super pumped for today. We're testing out the entire Lizzie Mcguire Colourpop collection. Talk about nostalgic. So I tried to dress for the occasion. I have like this little kind of Y2K style tank top, my butterfly necklace.
Where did you get that butterfly necklace?
Kohl's.
Oh.
When we went with Mima.
I remember.
So, I got this package on my porch today. I did purchase the entire collection for $102. I was a little bit surprised that the box wasn't bigger, but actually, I guess it makes sense though, because makeup is small. So here is the first look inside. And there's a peek at the products. Time to get back into the early 2000s and relive some of our most amazing memories watching Lizzie Mcguire. We are going to go through this whole collection and see what's good with it. So,
Mom, they look like stickers.
Oh my goodness, this is a show from when Mommy was younger. You can watch it if you want.
Oh.
Shout out to Disney Plus. But yeah, if you guys want to see the new Colourpop Lizzie Mcguire collection, just keep watching. Alright guys, the first thing I pulled out is the What Dreams Are Made Of pressed powder palette. I hope it's pigmented. I noticed it says pressed powder, not pressed pigment. And it shows you like all the shades on the back. It's a 12 shade palette. I cannot get over this box. I'm actually in love with it. So I'll just be showing you guys everything the collection comes with to start. We have...
Those look like little surprise toys.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So we have one glitter gel in the shade...
Guys, tomorrow is Easter.
Sing to me something. I can't read that word. I'm like not all there sometimes. A lip scrub in the flavor Bubblegum Pop. And another glitter gel in the shade Get a Grip. So happy we get some glitters today. All right, let's see what this is. 2 pressed powder blushes. Shades are You Are Magnificent. Can't talk today. And Delish. Look at all this stuff. So Juicy lip glosses. The shades are Lizzie and Miranda. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about Miranda. Babe, you can try these. Look. Glittery lip gloss.
Look like glitter glue like we had before.
The last thing is another lip gloss duo. Ethan Graft and Gordo. Gordo has a lip gloss. Get it, Gordo. Woo! And that's it. That's the whole collection. So I'll just kind of show you guys. This is the full collection.
Only
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. And the first thing I want to say is they couldn't have done a better job.
5 + 3 = 8.
They couldn't have done a better job with the packaging. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a picture of the collection all together before I open the boxes. All right, this is the cute little picture I posted on my Instagram story. All right, I can't wait to try the products. I have very light, minimal makeup on today. Just did a little BB cream and whatnot. Ew, you got boogers. So the first thing we're going to be opening today is the shadow palette. By itself, it retails for, oh, it doesn't say on here. I'll have to look it up. Here it is out of the box. Shades are Bye Bye Please, Done and Done, Outfit Rememberer, Dear Diary, Audi, Hello Fabulous, Don't Freak, So Mature, Outfit Repeater, and Digital Bean. Okay. I guess the whole family's doing the video now. Some of the shades do have a little asterisk next to them. And I'm going to try to figure out what that means. I don't know. Let's open her. Oh, so cute. And we have a mirror included. Look at that. Okay, so the shade Please looks scrumptious. I'm not sure if I should swatch or what I should do right now. That is the most pigmented shadow I've ever seen from Colourpop. Ooh, so far so good. These are looking bomb. I've had my doubts about Colourpop. You did too. But these are actually delivering pigment.
Mom, what's this show called?
Lizzie Mcguire. Those are the first, those are the bottom 4. Here is an up close at those bottom 4 colors. They look amazing on my arm, like for real. I'm just gonna wipe my fingers off. My arm. Okay, they came off pretty easy. And now we'll do the middle row. That's blinding. Ooh! Gorgeous. Here is some matte shade, so I'm interested to see if this one... Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. Okay, the second row turned out to be just as good. Here's the second row colors.
Mom, put it on my nose.
Okay, so I will do the top row of swatches on Mariana's arm. Ooh, freaking pretty. Shade I'm most interested in, Please. It's pressed glittery. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, it's like a complete glitter shade. So here is the top 4 colors. All of these have looked equally amazing. And I just want to say bye-bye. Looks like it will make an amazing highlight shade. Next up, I'm going to actually take my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer and just prime my lid a little bit before I put some of these colors on my lid. Now I'm only doing like a little dot. That's all it takes. You can either blend that out with your blender or your finger. It feels kind of tacky, like I have a primed lid now.
I'm in the zone now, and I think I know why. Can tell
I love it.
from your eyes, this is not your first time. Another late night vision with the blurred side. You know what I like. I can't get you off my mind.
The pigment is absolutely wonderful. Way better than I expected.
I think of you all the time. I wanna get with you inside the lines. Just hit me up. All night, all night, all night. Fading out within the lights. And what I like is you and I inside all night.
Keep in mind, I want this to look kind of early 2000s Lizzie McGuire-ish. Not necessarily like I'm going to One Oak tonight. That was stupid. Okay, we're going to move on to these ones now, all right? You can put one of these on me. So we have lip scrub. Might as well open this and see what's up.
Touch. I scored up because I can't see.
Ooh, it looks... Some lip scrubs are like kind of hard in texture. This one seems a little more jelly and soft-like. I'm gonna dip your finger in. And yes, it is bubblegum scented. It smells just like Double Bubble. And you go like this. Okay, this is not as harsh and rough of a lip scrub, which is good.
Smells like bubble gum.
Mm-hmm. Let me see your lips go. What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
5 stars out of 5. I really like that.
Surprise.
Okay, so we have 2 glitter gels. Let's open them both and maybe we can put them on each other. Look at that, you guys. That looks so perfect. It looks like unicorn poop. Oh my goodness, I'm literally so excited. Where am I even about to put this? Ah! Let's do it. You put it on your lips? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to switch. What it looks like swatch. That is beautiful.
Could I do that also?
Okay, sure. Oh my goodness, show it. This one is a white.
White.
Oh my goodness.
So satisfying.
Okay, how do we get this to show? It looks awesome, guys. I think I seen someone else on the color on like Instagram do this, put this in the inner corner, so I'm about to do that. Ooh! Careful! You look like a unicorn poop.
No, I don't.
You look like something a unicorn pooped out. Next, we have blush and
You
lip
could
gloss.
wipe it up and I'll do it.
Well, can we finish this first? So first blush is You Are Magnificent. Okay, pretty shimmery pink, some sparkles. This is gonna be a really pretty pink rose.
I want to get the makeup brush also. What's the makeup?
I am starting to look like a clown. Very nice pigmented blush. I'll just leave it at that. Okay, we have another blush. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one.
You know where you're gonna put it?
Where?
On your whole face. Hey, no, I didn't.
This blush is called Delish. I feel like it's a little bit of a lighter one. Let me put them side by side. Delish, and then the other one that I just did. So this one is more of a hot pink, bright pink, which is why that was looking so crazy on my cheeks. This one's lighter. I'm just gonna give it a little swatch. Okay, so that's more of a pale, subtle pink. I don't have room to put it on my face right now. So I guess all we have left is these 4 juicy plumping lip glosses. So I did not realize these are plumping lip glosses. I'll start with the Ethan and Gordo ones. I'm interested to see how tinted they are. This has a nice scent to it. So it's very clear, just a little bit of glitter. This is Gordo.
Could I do it?
I just hope that all 4 of them aren't like the same. This one, the Ethan Craft one, hopefully this is like, has some red in it to make it stand apart from this one. So it is a very subtle red tint. It's hard to see on my camera, but it's there. That's too much, my hand. But that is super shiny lip gloss.
I will light it too.
So this is the one called Lizzie, and it's like clear, but it might have more sparkles than the other ones. I don't know, and the pink one is Miranda. So I wiped my hand, and we'll just swatch these. Lizzie. So you can see this tiny, tiny, tiny pinkish tint to the Miranda one. I'm just like a tiny bit disappointed because I feel like they could have did maybe like, okay, back up. I feel like they could have did other lippies instead of 4 super similar lip glosses. They could have did like a lip like a lip butter and a lipstick. I'm just saying. Let's show our final looks.
I'm gonna do your makeup.
Okay guys, that's all we have for you for this video. That was a complete unboxing and testing out of the Lizzie Mcguire Colourpop collection. So I was pretty much impressed with everything, especially the shadow palette. The shadow palette was my favorite part of this. And then the only like critique I had was that they put 4 super similar lip glosses. So that's it for today's video though. If you guys enjoyed this video and took something from this little review, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.